In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide two cells and format the result as a percentage with no decimals. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll explain what each action does so it all makes sense. Start by making sure you're in the cell where you want the answer to appear. This is the result cell. Begin by typing an equal sign. That equal sign tells your spreadsheet you're entering a formula rather than plain text. Next, click the first box you want to use in the calculation. Think of this as the top number, or the part you're measuring. After you've clicked that first box, type a /. The slash is the division operator, so you're telling the spreadsheet to divide the first value by another value. Now click the second box. The second box is your bottom number, often the total or whole. At this point, you've built a simple formula that divides the first cell by the second cell, which gives you a ratio. With the formula in place, and the result cell still selected, look toward the top toolbar and click the percentage button. Converting the result to a percentage is important because it translates that ratio into a percent value by multiplying by 100 and adding the percent sign, which is usually more intuitive to read. Now, to make the display cleaner, click the 0.0 control on the toolbar to remove the decimal places. If you see more than one decimal, keep clicking that same control until the decimals disappear and you're left with a whole number percentage. This is especially helpful for dashboards, reports, or anytime you want a concise, polished look. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. If your second box is 0 or blank, the division can't be computed and you may see an error. Make sure that second value is a valid number. If you ever want to show decimals again, you can bring them back by using the decimal controls on the same toolbar. And if your percentage looks off, double check that you click the correct first and second boxes in the right order, since swapping them will change the result. That's all there is to it. Type the equal sign, click the first box, type the slash, click the second box, apply the percentage format up top, and use the 0.0 option to remove decimals. You'll have a clean, accurate percentage ready to use.